Hi, fourth graders, Mrs. Nelson here, and we are going to be looking at line segments. These are quick, easy. You should have these in your notebooks. Line segments are just little chunks of line. So the end points right here, if you look at them, those mean that the line starts and stops. So it's like if you cut a string, it's just a small chunk of a line. So when you see something that doesn't have arrows on the ends, those are known as line segments because they are stopping. A line segment starts and stops. That's it. Okay? So all of these, no matter how they're positioned in space, like this one's different in space than this one, they're still line segments. Okay? And they are just chunks. So if I drew a line and then I cut it out right there, that chunk would be a line segment. So if I took a line and I drew it, and then I said, well, I'm going to take a segment out. Here's a so if I had a segment, that didn't work the way I wanted to, what'll happen is then I would say, here's a segment here. It keeps erasing. I don't know why. Because I don't want it to erase the whole thing. So you could, is that going to erase the whole thing? Yep. So here, here, here are line segments because they start and stop. Okay. Now, if they went forever, that's different. We'll talk about that in the next video. But these are chunks of a line that have been just cut out. Questions, concerns? Let me know.